yikes. So it just cracks me up. Hi friends, welcome back to another video. My name's Veronika. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I am a part-time reseller, and on this channel, Veronika mit K, I document my part-time reseller journey. I do have a full-time job and I try to squeeze in reselling and YouTube videos whenever I can. So today that means I'm squeezing it in on basically my lunch break and I have a big box to unbox. I got suckered in, it's not ThreadUp this time, I got suckered in to buying another Goodwill BlueBox, one that I haven't really heard good things about. So please don't ask me why I bought this. It was one of those, it's Friday night and they're dropping and it's 6 p.m. Let me see if I can get one type of situations. So I got one. I got a Goodwill BlueBox denim box with tax and shipping and all that. I think I paid $26 and some change. Let's say $27 for this box. And there should be between 10 and 12 pairs of jeans in there. I've heard from others that they did not really make their money back or that they barely made their money back. So I have very low expectations for this box, but I'm too curious to wait to open it. So we're going to open this now. We're going to do this quickly. I know a lot of you like the quicker videos, but if you like long form content, I have lots and lots of haul videos for you on my channel. I can link some below and above and everywhere. But let's dig into this box. And if you've been here for a while, you already know that I'm a sucker for mystery boxes and rescue boxes, and I haven't gotten a Goodwill BlueBox in a while because they have not been good to me. Maybe it's the fact that recently a bunch of my items that I did get from Goodwill BlueBoxes have been selling. They haven't been selling for much, but closer to making my money back, I guess. Maybe even making a profit. So maybe it was that motivated me. Maybe it was just a Friday night and I completely lost my marbles. I don't know. Okay, so we got an invoice. So the box costs, it's the mixed jeans box, 10 to 12 pairs, and it costs $19.99. And after shipping and tax, it's $26.74. So we'll see how many items I have in here and what that comes out to. So if you've never gotten a Goodwill BlueBox, you can get them on goodwillbluebox.com, and they always drop at 6 p.m. on Friday, 6 p.m. Eastern on Friday, and they have a variety of boxes, and pretty much all of them always sell out like right away. So if you really want one, you have to be quick. They are relatively cheap, I will say that. I know there's also shopgoodwill.com, and they also have mystery boxes. You know, sometimes they're available, sometimes they're not. They don't really have drops like that. I don't know if those two websites are connected in any way. If you know this, if you're an expert on this, please leave a comment down below and let all of us know. And while you're already there, maybe you want to hit the like button, and maybe you also want to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I just cracked the 700. I'm trying to get to 1,000, so help a girl out. Okay, first pair of jeans that we got is Zara. I don't really pick up Zara, but I'm also not incredibly upset that they're sending me Zara jeans. One thing that I'm going to check with this box is if the zippers are working and if there's excessive wear, of course, in any problematic areas. I'm also going to check for sizes. So this one is a US size 8. The care tag, well, okay, one of the tags has been cut out, but it does have a size, and it says at least 90% ecologically grown cotton. So at least there's that, but it doesn't give me a style or anything. I'm going to say it's a mid-rise skinny jeans. I'm bumping into things over here, and they're like a medium wash. I don't see any puckering, but sometimes I find this later. Yeah, so no puckering, no excessive wear anywhere. Hem looks decent too, so not a bad pair. I don't know what Zara jeans will go for, but we'll find out. I see a bunch of white denim in here, which I'm not excited for, but let's just pull one of those out. Okay, yeah, not excited, but at least it's a plus size. Isaac Mizrahi Live, a 20W. And this is a white denim skirt. Yeah, this is one of the least exciting pieces I could imagine to sell. It has like a little bit of wear. I might try and tie-dye it. I haven't decided yet, obviously, but Yeah, I might just list it as is. I'll probably list it just because it's a plus size, but not excited for that one. This is also Zara. Zara Basic. Size 8 as well. Don't see a style name, but it's another mid-rise skinny with a little bit of distressing, and it does have a raw hem, I guess. I don't know if this is intentional or not. I'll probably list it as upcycle just in case because it does not look very professional, but they are distressed. So I know they say the skinny jeans are no longer a thing, but I think people still buy them. Also, there's either lawn mowing or leaf blowing going on, so I hope it's not too loud. Sorry about that. This is what I get when I don't record after dark. What is this? I think this is a denim jacket. Not an exciting brand, but it may be vintage and it's plus size. So this is Casual Corner, size 14. And you know what? This might be cute for fall. It's a denim jacket and it does have the plaid lining. So that's kind of cute. I mean, I don't hate this. I'll list it. Maybe it looks good on me. I don't know. Would be my size, but it's not horrible. Okay, we got some Levi's. So I will never complain about Levi's. Well, usually not. These are the boyfriend, and there are kids. Okay, so there are kids because first of all it says 16 regular, which these are not a size 16, but also they have the little button here to make them more adjustable, and that's usually what tells you that something is a kid's item. So the thing with Levi's kids jeans, like if they're a bigger kid size, they can pass for like an adult jean as well. It's just tricky because you do want to list them as the size that's on the label. So I want to list them as a kid's 16 regular, which I think probably comes out to like a, I don't know, like a size 8 maybe adult. Don't quote me on that. But, you know, I will provide measurements and I usually say, well, this corresponds to a women's size, blah, blah, blah. But they are harder for me to sell. Okay, Abercrombie & Fitch. Just sold some Abercrombie & Fitch today or yesterday. Some distressed shorts. These are not bad. I mean, we're moving into fall, but they might still sell. And yeah, they're pretty decent. Size 30/10. So good size as well. Not mad at these. Little shorts. And they're a little bit longer too, so you can roll them up. Or, yeah, if you don't, then they're a little bit more modest. So, they're almost like Bermudas. Okay, more shorts. I see how it is. Aeropostale. Not excited for that. Aeropostale midi short. I'm guessing it's just meant to be mid-right. I don't know what midi short means because they're short. Like, they're short shorts. These are a size 00. Yeah, these are probably going to go to ThredUp. I don't want to list these. They don't look like a 00, but I don't feel like listing those. Get some Calvin Klein. Also, Bermuda shorts, the city short, but they're also white. So, it is after Labor Day. Not that I care, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. These might go to ThredUp as well. I'll put them over here for now. I don't know how many items I have in here yet, so I will let you know what my, oh yikes. I will let you know what my average cost of goods is. It just cracks me up. So this brand is Hot Kiss. It says remember your first. I'm just kidding. You know it's great quality if that's your brand. Oh, and it's a denim dress. That's actually, it's kind of cute. Okay, so I feel like this is the point in the video where I need to insert this clip.
Oh, Paulie.
What up?
What's Dina's favorite part of Mario Brothers?
Denim, denim, denim.
Denim, denim, denim.
Denim, denim,
You
denim.
like Mario Brothers?
Whatever.
I mean, it's a dress. It's not a jumpsuit, but that's a Jersey Shore moment right there. I might, you know, just for shits and giggles, I might list that. I don't know. I shouldn't, but I probably will. Let's face it. And then I'll hate myself for it. Okay, we got Loft Outlet Petite, size 6, short. What? Nope, I lied. Not shorts. Skinny jeans. Okay, well, mid-rise skinny jeans. Pretty sure I'm going to send these to ThredUp as well. because I don't want to deal with them. And then we get some wild, okay, what are you? Some wild palm leaf tropical capris in a size 16. It's too bad I hate these. Otherwise I'd keep them. OSO casuals. I have no idea what this is. They're giving me Lily Pulitzer vibes. Like Lily Pulitzer on the cheap. I mean, they're not horrible, and they're not the most horrible printed denim capris I've ever seen. And they are plus size, so yeah, I don't know if I want to list them. I haven't decided yet. If I list them, they're probably going to sell on eBay for not much. Okay, last pair is Lauren Ralph Lauren. I don't know. Either one. That's the one. Size 2. Also a mid-rise, probably mid-rise straight. It could be a slim boot, I'm not sure. It's a tiny size, it's size 2. So light wash. I'm gonna say this is mid-rise. Yeah, probably just about. So yeah, I mean, decent condition. I haven't seen anything that's in like horrible condition or anything. So that's good. At least it's not a box that's full of like literal trash. We could argue about the brands, but at least they send me things that are wearable / sellable. So I'll do a quick count and we'll see how many I got. 11, 12. Okay, so I got 12 items, and like I said, I paid $26.74. So yeah, so $2.22 per pair. So a little bit more than I would pay at the bins, and a lot that I wouldn't be picking up at the bins. But it might still make me a profit. I think overall I can definitely make a profit on this box. There are a few in here that I think will sell around the $15 to $20 price point. So if I sell 2 of these for about 16, 17 bucks, then I will have made my money back. And then if I make profit above that, beyond that, that's cool. And some of these will just give me, you know, items to fill a box that I'm sending to ThreadUp sooner or later. So also not mad at that. Would I necessarily recommend this box? Probably not, but it was also not the worst box I've ever received. So yeah, every once in a while I just need to get this stuff out of my system, and now I know. And yeah, I'm good for a while now, and I have enough denim. And I'm, you know, I mean, I always hope that there's going to be something really good in there, but I don't expect the Goodwill BlueBox to have like a pair of Good American or Mother or something like that in there. So as far as mystery boxes go, this one was okay-ish, but nothing to write home about, I guess. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Maybe you were on the fence about trying to score one of these boxes and this was helpful to you. In that case, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And again, if you found this video because you're just randomly looking for information on the Goodwill BlueBox and you're new to my channel and you want to subscribe and see more reseller-related content, then please do that as well. I would so appreciate it. Alright, you guys, I'll see you soon in another video. I don't know when this is coming out. I don't know what's coming out next, but something will be coming out on my channel. I usually post 2 videos a week, so stay tuned for that, and bis bald. Tschüss!